Bienvenue sur Channel Jeff Denis 56.
Hey, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Denis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can say your 5 fingers in English. Bonjour tout le monde. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, je vais enseigner qui jan ou capable de dire 5 dwèt qui nan plat moyo en anglais. Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? En este video de hoy vamos a aprender los 5 dedos en inglés. ¿Cómo se llaman los 5 dedos en inglés? Let's go. Vamos. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, palm, rest. Once more again. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, palm, rest. Once more again, guys. Let's say it once more again. Thumb, without pronounce the B at the end, you can say thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, palm, rest. But I think, guys, you all enjoy this video. So if you would like to see more video, don't forget, guys, to leave a comment and to click on the bell to subscribe with my channel. I promise you, guys, every single day I will post some video on it for you to learn English in Creole. Let's go. Thanks for watching this video.